Hello friends, do you desire to learn and master how you can create this amazing animated introduction slide design in Microsoft PowerPoint? Welcome to Soluma channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can create this amazing introduction slide design in Microsoft PowerPoint for your future presentation, for your business presentation, even for your teaching presentation. If that interests you, stick around to the end of this video so as to learn how to create this with ease. Now, before we delve into the video, if this is your first time of stopping by on our channel, we encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly uploads. Now, without much ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, to create this amazing introduction to SWOT analysis slide, step 1, set up your background, and to do that, let's head over to our layout and then let's select the blank slide. After that, go to shape, select rectangular shape, and then come over to this point, draw to cover the entire slide. Beautiful. Now, having done that, let's head over to our shape outline, and then we say no outline. Go to shape field and let's select this particular field. Awesome. Now that is our background. Step 2, insert your content, and to do that, we head over to select our text box, and then we draw. Let's extend it over to this place, and then let's extend this over to here. Let's reduce it a bit. Awesome. Now, having done that, we can introduce our content. We say introduction to. Let's make it center align. Come to font. Let's select our fonts. Here we are going to be making use of the Eras family. I'm going to select the Eras Light, and then increase the font. Let's make the font let's make it 48. Awesome. Now let's bring it down a bit. Go over to this place and then go to more spacing, and let's make it by 22, and we hit enter. We have our text like this. The next we do is Ctrl D to get our other text. Here we select normal, and then let's remove this and put our SWOT. All right, now here we are going to select another font, which is the Eras Bold, and then we are going to make it, let's say 240, to be very big. Awesome. Now, having stuff like this, we can bring it up here, and then let's go to shape format, and then let's say send to back so that we can be able to select this. And then let's push this down a bit. Awesome. Now, having done that, we Ctrl D, and then let's push it down here, and then ensure at the center. Awesome. Then remove this and put analysis. Here we are going to go over to home tab, and then come to the spacing, more spacing, and let's make it 25. Awesome. Now here we are going to select the Eras. We are going to select the Eras medium. Awesome. Let's make it bold. Let's come here and also make this one bold, and then finally we bold this and make it bold. Awesome. Now, having done that, the next we are going to do for our content is to select every body shape and content, and then head over to shape format and come over to the make shape tool, and then we say subtract. Awesome. Beautiful. We have stuff such as this. The next we are going to do is step 3, which is to insert our pictures. And to do that, let's head over to insert, come to picture from device, and then we head over to this. We already have downloaded the picture we want to use for this presentation. Right here we are going to be making use of this. Now we say insert. We have our picture insert such as this. The next we do is we go to crop, come to aspect ratio, select 16:9, and then we have our picture cropped. We click on cropped. We come to align, let's say align left, come to align again, and let's say align top. Awesome. And then we drag to ensure to cover the entire slide. All right, now having done that, the next we do is to go to the send to the back, and then we send the picture to the back. Beautiful. Now we have our picture like this. The next is to insert our second picture. Let's zoom in a bit and then go over to insert and come to picture, come to the device, and then here we are going to be making use of this picture here, and then we say okay. Awesome. Having done that, we go to crop as well and go to aspect ratio and select 16:9. We have our picture stuff like this, and then we say crop. Beautiful. The same way, go to align left, and then you say the align top. Awesome. Now having done that, let's drag it up to fit the entire slide. Beautiful. Now that is our picture. The next we do is hold your shift and then move it to the left. Let's drag it to the left. Awesome. Now having done that, the next thing we do is to go to shape. We go to insert, come to our shapes, and then select the rectangular stuff, and then come over to this place and draw just a small stuff that we are going to use. Remember, because this is tiny, the stuff is going to be a bit tiny as well. Awesome. Now having done that, come over to shape outline and say no outline, and then let's go to shape fill and then come to use the eyedropper tool. For this, we are going to select any of these or any of these. Here I'm going to select this. Awesome. That is that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hold shift, move it straight to this point to be at this place. Awesome. And that is our step 3. The next step is to add animation, apply animation to our shapes and to our pictures to give it a dynamic effect. And to do that, we head over to animation. Under animation, let's go to add animation, come down to this place and select this motion path animation. Head over to effect animation and we say to the right. Awesome. And we have stuff like this. Now having done that, we come over to this place, click here, hold your shift and move it across to this point. Awesome. Now that is that. The next we do is for us to go this, hold shift and move it close to this particular shape. Awesome. Once that is done, let's head over to this as well. Go to our motion path animation and then select this. Go to our effect option and also say to the right. Beautiful. Now we have stuff like this. The next we do is we click on this as well, hold shift and then move this to this point as well. Let it be at this same point as well. Awesome. Now once that is done, the next we do, we click on this, go over to the picture format and say send backward, so that this picture will be beside this one. That is the plan. All right, we also need to bring this close to this place, and that is the animation. The next is to time our animation, add some timing to our animation. Let's go to animation pane. Here our rectangle, starting with click, let's say we give it 7 seconds. Let's give it 7 seconds as well, and then come over to the second, which is the picture. Here we set it to start with previous, and then let's make it 7 seconds as well. All right, finally let's click on this picture and move it up a bit, because we want more of the buildings to be in our content. So we move this up a bit, and ladies and gentlemen, let's play and see what a wonderful effect we have such as this. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this amazing? If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our future uploads every Mondays and every Fridays right here at this channel. Till then, keep creating an amazing slide, keep creating an amazing presentation, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.